In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in an Outlook email, whether you're organizing data, creating a schedule, or just trying to keep your content tidy. Knowing how to add a table right inside your email can be incredibly useful. Let's get started on making your emails more structured and professional. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Sign In page where you should enter your login details. Make sure you type your email and password correctly to avoid any access issues. After you've filled in your information, go ahead and click Next to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard, which is your main hub for managing emails. The next step is to move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the option to create new mail. Click on this, and a new email draft should open up for you. It's important to mention that in the new version of Outlook, there are primarily two ways to insert a table. Both methods are straightforward, and I'll walk you through each one. First, select the main body of your new email. This is where the table will be inserted. Once you've clicked there, move your attention to the top ribbon above. Towards the far right corner of the message section, you'll see three dots. Clicking on these dots will provide you with a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled Table. Clicking on this will allow you to insert a table into your email. You can now adjust the dimensions to fit your needs by selecting the number of rows and columns. The second method is just as simple. Still looking at the ribbon above your email draft, move from the message section to the insert section, which should be right next to it. Within the insert section, you'll need to locate the table icon. Clicking on this icon will give you the same functionality to insert a table as specified by your needs. And there you have it. Those are the two primary ways you can insert a table into your Outlook email. I hope this guide has made it clear and easy for you to follow along. Now, you can enhance your emails by organizing text and data efficiently with tables. Feel free to experiment with these options as you tailor your emails to suit your specific requirements. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find much success in crafting visually appealing and well-organized emails.